Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2004 Honda 750 Shadow. This is the Aero model with the long flowing retro style fenders. It's got the LED light conversion up front, including running lights, engine guards, Cobra floorboards, a quick release batwing fairing, saddlebags. This bike has 38,900 miles, beautiful running condition, satin black, twin cylinder, shaft drive. Make your cruiser dreams come true. This gorgeous Shadow 750. Price to sell just $29.99. Come by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.